What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video to Now, today's video is I'm going to finally pick up and shoot with my 42-inch softbox. I know I have not shot with that thing in a very long time, but it's alive a couple of weeks ago. My boy Anthony Toglife called me out and said, I just don't shoot with softbox no more. And he's kind of right, because it's just too cumbersome for me at this point in time. So I've been loving my wide angle reflector, but today I'm going to shoot with my 42-inch wide angle. I mean, not my wide angle, but my softbox today. And today's model I have with me,
Gigi Martinez. Hey.
Of course, you have seen Gigi before. She was actually in the very first DAP challenge. She was the very first model that did it in the DAP challenge with me that I ended up losing. And I told her from there I wasn't going to shoot with her no more because she ended up.
He did it.
So she is back. So are you excited about the shoot today?
Yes, I'm very excited.
All right, guys. So we're just going to get right into it. Let's go. Come on, close on the hair. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, and 3. I like that. 1, 2, and 3. Get a full body now. 1, 2, and 3. Do this a tad bit up. Love it. I like that stance. 1, 2, 3. What's up? Let's get you. Let's sit you on that little thing right here, right?
Okay.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Like it. 1, 2, 3. Try to cross your ankles at the bottom almost. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stay there. I like that right there. 1, 2, 3. You more like right over here. And I'm just gonna scoop this. Yeah, we're gonna have you standing though, because I want to get the sunlight. Yeah, and I actually want you just like that too. And looking right back at me. Bam. Like that. Man, you got it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops. I like that. 1. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, guys, as you can see what I'm doing now, I'm actually using her head to actually block that sun and actually give her a nice little rim light, but I'm gonna try to use it also for creative purposes as well, but I'm gonna try my best not to like wash it out, as you can see right here. But you know, I haven't used my softbox in a while, so it's really nice to use my softbox. Stay right there. 1, 2, and hang on, stay right there. As you can see, I'm trying to frame it, but of course I'm getting not good. Have you right here. Yeah, because I'm gonna try to get some of that, take it one step forward for me.
Forward?
Yeah, right there. That's One, 2, 3. Kind of tilt your head back just a little bit. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3. Coming in again. 1, 2, and 3. Over there. Let's actually. Let's see. I'm gonna get you out the sun now. I'm tired of using that sun. It's really blinding me. I like that. I love that pose, Gigi. 1, 2, 3. Hold it again. I'm gonna get full body. I love that pose. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold that. Kind of, you know how you do that, but yeah, there you go. Yeah, exaggerate that for me. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2. I like it. Kick your leg up. Yeah. Yep. You got it? You ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Actually, kind of grab your wrist with one. Yeah. Like that, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn yourself to the side. Yep, like that. Yeah, and just kind of cross the one leg. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. Get across it. Yeah. Go. 1, 2, 3. Let's cross the legs back and forth, right? You know how you had your arm like this and kind of bring the other arm and kind of touch on your shoulder. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, just bring the other arm. Yeah, actually I like that. Do that, yeah. Close the gap in your arm, yeah, and your fingers. No, you're fine. Yeah. Not so much though. That's the one. No, bring the other one up. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Really bring the shoulder down, the second shoulder. Yeah. Bring it up. There you go. Not so much. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. As y'all can see, guys, like I can really dramatically change the photos just by really just stepping forward. You can see right here, I get a whole totally different look right here. Then all I gotta do is just shift there and get a whole nother totally different look there. It's, you know, it's just amazing what you can really kind of do just by the shift of your feet. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold that. I'm gonna get full body. 1, 2, 3. All right, now go ahead and do some more poses for me. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Gigi and I just put in for you. Now, Gigi, how did you enjoy working with me again after all these freaking years?
Yes, I always enjoy working with you. I always have fun. This is a great way for me to come out and wear the outfits I don't have a reason to wear.
As you can see, yes, she was, like I said in the beginning of this, she was my very first DAP model. She was the very first model that did that competition that y'all guys do enjoy and love so much as well. Once again, I did use my 42-inch beauty dish from Easy Lock. I know I haven't used it in a while. Like I said, I got called out by Tog Life and T-Mid and all them, so I actually kind of inspired me to use it out here today with Gigi. As you can see, it ain't going nowhere, but I just rather like the convenience of the wide angle reflector. It's a small form factor and I can put it on off and go on about my business. It's the reason why I always use all the time nowadays. But Gigi, until next video.
Until next video.
Until next video, peace. I think this is gonna work. I think this is gonna work. Oops, I didn't mean to do that.
It's what I do. It's what I do. It's what I do. It's what I do.